On July 23, 2024, officers were dispatched to a gas station following reports of a shoplifting incident. According to the attendant, 2 individuals were caught taking items without paying, including water and other goods. The employee confronted the suspects, closed the door to prevent them from leaving, and called the police.
And I say, hey guys, I closed the door, so show me everything you take. And they put it here, and then stuff here, water, and yeah, here. And water, I don't know where. So I told them, I'm gonna call the police, and they start asking me like, bitch, you know, that stuff. Okay. And that's it. Okay. So right now, she told me.
Can you start getting demographics for me, please?
Well, can I speak for myself? Can we speak?
Yeah, we can speak after. I'll get names first.
Okay.
So what do you want done with these, with them?
But my boss, he told me, when you have someone like that, just call the police, close the door, and tell them everything happened and let them do whatever.
Okay.
So
One of the suspects attempted to explain their side. The officer began gathering demographic information, ensuring the incident was documented while also reviewing the store's security footage.
He can go?
But,
Yeah.
no, he didn't do it.
Excuse me, sir. You admitted that right or wrong? Did you or did you not admit to that?
So right now, you're gonna stay
No, I'm
here.
asking you why she can't admit to what she said the first time, though. I'm asking why she can't
Are
admit.
you gonna give me an opportunity to talk, or are you gonna continue?
Talk.
So right now, I'm going to review the security cameras, and then we'll figure out what's all going on. And what you're saying is will be recorded on the security cameras if she said you didn't do anything, all right? So in the meantime, just work with Officer Weaver and Officer Hobart and get your demographics. You're not leaving right now. No? Okay. Oh, ah.
Always.
727.
You want to go in, go in. If you want to go in, you can go in.
I don't know what to do. I don't want to hurt anyone or do anything bad for anyone, but at the same time,
What I can do is
bad.
I can trespass them so that they can't come back. How does that sound?
Yeah, that good.
You don't know ID. That's not your ID to take.
I forgot.
I can't get my
Forgot?
ID back.
All right, let's push it back in here. I don't want to sound the door. Push it in.
No, Mama, I
Push
did
it
not
in.
do
Look,
that.
get your hand back. I'm going to stand in here.
Put your hand behind her back right now.
Get now, bro. Get blood, bro.
Your behavior.
Hey, call my mom because I'm getting my ID back from you, bro. I'm not doing nothing.
Now. I'm not calling your mom. You're 18.
No,
We're going to the corner.
we have it. You want to stay in here?
Call my mama. Yeah, where y'all call my mama?
No, we're not calling anybody.
Yes, I can. I don't care. Am I doing it now?
Stop. Stop.
I want a female to search me. I don't want no male searching me. I want a female to search me. You're not a female to search me. You're not a female to search me. You're not a female.
I'm not required to have one. Have a seat in the car.
No,
No, if nothing, sit down in the car. No, you can't. Sit in the car now. You're under arrest.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Sit. I'm sitting in the car.
I will get in the car and I call my mom back. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. No, you did too. Bro, you did too much. I can get in the car and myself, but I can't. I'm trying to get up in the car.
I'm not calling anybody. You're under arrest. You're detained for an investigation. You're not snatching your ID out of my hand.
Thank you. You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I noticed. No. And I'm telling you no. No.
There's being trespassed?
Yes.
Both of them?
Yes. Do he said you got his info?
Yeah,
Or
in the
was
middle
it
of getting it when that happened.
Okay. If you finish.
his trespass support if you want.
Ain't nothing wrong with telling you to call my mama. I can call my mama. I can call my mama. Bitch, I can use my phone call to call my mama. Dumb asshole.
You can't. At the jail, you can.
Are you in school or what are you doing nowadays?
I'm graduating this year. Well,
Good job.
the upcoming year.
What do you want to do? Oop.
I want to be a lawyer.
Yeah?
Yeah. But not dealing with this BS.
Wrong, bro.
You need to sit down.
No, I don't. I don't got the fuck thing, bro. You don't have nothing to hold me for. Is it because I'm black and pretty and you're ugly?
Has nothing to do with that at all.
Clearly it is. Clearly it is. Clearly it
Sit
is.
down on your butt.
This here is a civil thing. It's not a big deal. Okay? Disappears after 1 year. All right? But just don't get yourself involved any further. All right? And you'll be fine.
Okay.
You had no right to touch me, bro. I felt violated. If I felt sexually harassed or any type of assault, I can make that into a report.
Okay, you can report it.
And I will report it. But after this investigation over, you gonna see that I didn't do nothing wrong. You gonna let me go.
Well, you should have thought about that.
You gonna after this investigation over, you gonna see I didn't do nothing wrong, and I'm getting go back to my title. That's all I've been trying to do. The fuck, bitch, y'all got the wrong things going on.
Okay.
So is she getting arrested?
I got to talk to the other officer and see what she did that caused him to put her in handcuffs. Okay?
Okay.
I was fixing to do it because of her attitude, the way she was. I was concerned that she might try to strike out at me or one of the other guys.
That's why before y'all got here, I kept trying to calm her down, bro.
I didn't do anything wrong. You grabbed my ID. I asked for my ID back. You tried to say I tried to snatch it. I just asked for my ID back. I literally put my hand out and then I touched it. You snatched it back down. What did you say? It's all on your camera. If your camera wasn't recorded, it's gonna see that I touched my ID. You snatched it down. Then tried to say, "Oh, you snatched from me." Bitch, it's my shit. And I didn't snatch shit from you. I don't have no reason to snatch from nobody. Fuck, bitch.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Obstruction.
What did I describe?
My investigation.
No, I did not. You lied on my mom. You just lied, bro. You just lied on me in the head, bro. You just lied on me, bro. You literally just sat up here and lied on me, bro. You just sat up here and lied on me, bro. Oh my God, bro. Why are you lying on my name, bro? Like, what's wrong with you, bro? Like, I don't know what's wrong with you, but I didn't do nothing, bro. Yo, just got still going on. I didn't do nothing wrong, so I don't understand. How am I under arrest for doing nothing? I didn't do nothing. I gave you my name. I gave you my mama number. All that. So what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Because I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong. You still trying to say I did, but I didn't do nothing.
Resisting an officer. Resisting an officer. Burglary. Resisting an officer. You have a pattern of behavior here.
In the end, the suspect was arrested and charged with resisting an officer and obstruction. As the case progresses, it will be up to the courts to determine the outcome.